Have you ever asked yourself, do I pay a mortgage during a short sale? Well, you've come to the right place, although the answer may not be what you're expecting. Hi, I'm Dohn Thornton. I'm known as Don, the short sale guy, because I've done so many short sales and helped so many people in almost 20 years that I lost count, certainly more than 1,500 homeowners in that period of time. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about uh, whether you should pay your mortgage during a short sale, and it's going to depend on a couple of things. Are you in foreclosure, or are you 90 days late, or at least 60 days late on your mortgage already? Are you current on your mortgage? And if so, if you're going to go for the short sale, why it's so important that you pick the right company to work with. This is the most crucial decision you're going to make in the process. So the first question is, are you in foreclosure or at least 60 or 90 days late already? And if you are, there's really no reason to pay your mortgage because you're already late. And here's the thing about people don't realize about mortgage companies is that you cannot, once you reach a certain point in your delinquency, you can't just send partial payments to try to catch up. In other words, you can't say, okay, well, I'm behind $4,000. I'll just send them $500 extra a month until until I get it caught up. Unfortunately, once you reach a certain point, they're not going to accept a partial payment. They're going to demand a full payment, a full reinstatement. So from that point of view, if you're already late and you already know that you can't afford it, and you're upside down on your mortgage, you're going to need to do a short sale. And at this point in time, there's no reason to pay your mortgage. Okay, that's just my opinion. Obviously, seek legal counsel, for your particular situation. In my experience, I would not advise that. Just take the loss and do a short sale and be done with it. And because at this point in time, you just be throwing good money after bad. Okay, so I would love it if you guys would go down to the corner here and where you see the subscribe button and subscribe, because I would love to have you guys get notified whenever I have new videos that drop. I do videos a lot. I'll be doing a whole bunch of videos here in the next 4 or 5 months. So I hope that this will be interesting for you and help you gain knowledge on short sales and what your rights are as a homeowner and how to be able to use them or work with them if you're a real estate agent or a real estate investor. Now, the second component of this is, are you current on your mortgage right now, but you're still upside down and you need to do a short sale to be able to sell your property? Now, a lot of people have misconceptions about this. They think that they have to be in foreclosure to do a short sale, and it's not true. In fact, multiple times we have done short sales for homeowners who are current on their mortgage, which is, you would think that would be counterintuitive, but it's actually true. In fact, we had a client last year. She lived in Tallahassee, but she had a condo in South Daytona, and it was current. It was a rental, but it was upside down, and also she was not able to cover the rent, and so she was having to come out of pocket to create, to make up the difference between what the renter paid and what her mortgage and her taxes were, and insurance and so forth. So for her, it was a strategic decision to go ahead and do a short sale to get the property sold. And we went through the whole entire process, and she showed her financials, and we got to work, and she got out from under the property. She sold her property with no expenses whatsoever. The bank paid the commissions, the bank paid the closing costs. So for her, it was a great deal. So yes, in other words, you can do that if you're current. And I would say if you're current on your mortgage, don't let that stop you from doing a short sale. If you need to sell, if you have to sell, and your payoff and all the closing costs and commissions would be more than what the property's worth. Now, if you agree with this or disagree with this, or if you want to ask me anything, I would love it if you went down to the comments section and leave a comment for me. I love it. I love to engage with my viewers, and I think it would be great for us to, start a dialogue, because I love this. This is my passion of short sales. Now, it's important that when you are contemplating a short sale, whether you are current on your mortgage or whether you're 90 days late or more or less, but you're late, regardless, if you need a short sale, choosing the right company is crucial. I cannot tell you how important that is, especially nowadays, because I recorded this at the end of November of 2021, and the foreclosure moratorium has been lifted. More and more foreclosures are being filed, and there is going to be a market correction. So a lot of people that bought, especially lately, who spent more than listing price to get a house, if anything happens in their life, job, divorce, health, whatever, they're going to be upside down and going to need a short sale. And whether you fall into that category or just, whatever, it's important for you to know that there are not many people specialize in short sales. I mean, maybe I could count on two hands, maybe, nationwide, the people that are really, really good at it, if that. So we, of course, would urge you to work with us because we've been doing this for almost 20 years. 2022 will be our 20th year. And we've helped so many people, and I've had an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau for the entire time of my company's existence. And we're just really good at it, and we can do it anywhere in the country. So if you're thinking about doing a short sale, I would urge you to work with us. Now, what I want you to do, if you're a homeowner and need a short sale, I want you to go down to the description of the video, and there's a link there that I'd like for you to click. It's called DohnBuysHouses.now.site. Go there and go to the website, and there's the first page. You'll see a form to fill out, which has your name, your email address, and your phone number. Fill that out, and I will get that sent to me, and I'll reach out to you, and we can set up a time where I can talk about what your situation is and how we can help you. If you are a real estate investor or you're a real estate agent and you would like to partner with us in short sales, let's say you get a lead that someone is upside down in their mortgage and you don't know what to do with it, and you'd like to monetize it, well, that's us. We can help you out tremendously and open up a new income stream for you while you're doing God's work and helping homeowners get out from under a bad situation that they wouldn't be able to get out from under otherwise if it wasn't for us. So I want to thank you for your time and your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.